everyone, welcome to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's start this video. Illegal fishing in Indonesia and the role of international maritime law on illegal fishing action, part 2. Genoa also claims power over the Ligurian Sea and its surroundings and performs action to carry it out. The same is done by Pisa, who claims and performs action on the Tyrrhenian Sea. For the current era concerning food issues that extend also to marine with the potential of its fish, that the current world fishery can no longer be said to be still abundant. Without the concept of environment-based management, it is feared that a very potential resource as a source of healthy protein and cheap can be threatened sustainability. First, illegal fishing. Indonesia and global context several theories about illegal fishing. According to Divera Wicaksono, as quoted by Lombok Silalahi, that illegal fishing is using a fake fishing license or CP not equipped with CP. The concept of the license documents are not in accordance with the vessel and the type of fishing gear, catching fish with band types and size. In addition, the notion of illegal fishing refers to that notion issued by the International Plan of Action of IPOA 2001, initiated by Food Agriculture Organization or FAO in the context of implementing Code of Conduct for Responsible Fisheries or CCRF. Understanding illegal fishing is described as follows. Activities undertaken by national or foreign vessel in water under the jurisdiction of a state without permission of that state or in contravention of its law and regulation. Fishing activities undertaken by a particular country or foreign vessel in waters not of their jurisdiction without the consent of a country having jurisdiction or fishing activities is in conflict with laws and regulation of that country. Activities conducted by vessels flying the flag of states that are parties to a relevant regional fisheries management organization or RFMO but operate in contravention of the conservation and management measures adopted by the organization Section 2 International Plan of Action to prevent, deter and eliminate illegal, unreported and unregulated fishing, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Fishing activities that are conducted by a fishing vessel flag, one of the countries incorporated as member of the Regional Fisheries Management Organization, Regional Fisheries Management Organization or RFMO. However, the operation of its vessel is in conflict with conservation and fisheries management measures that have been adopted by RFMO. RFMO countries are equipped to follow the rules set out or other rules relating to international law. Activities in violation of national laws or international obligations, including those undertaken by cooperating states to a relevant regional fisheries management organization or RFMO. Fishing activities opposed to legislation of a country or international provision, rules specified by RFMO member countries. Although IPOA FAO fishing has provided restriction on the notion of illegal fishing, in a more simple and operational sense, illegal fishing can be defined as an activity unlawful fishery. Illegal fishing is a foreign term popularized by legal experts in Indonesia, which later became a popular term in the mass media and used as a legal study. For the problem of illegal fishing in Indonesia, the government has begun a number of actions, such as by the drowning of foreign fishing proven to conduct illegal fishing. As an example, on October 22, 2015, Indonesia sank two foreign vessels flag Vietnam in the waters of Batam, Riau Island, and one Thai flag ship in waters Langsa, Aceh. The three were captured by Tiger Shark patrol ship 005 on March 7, 2015 and March 22, 2015 in the waters around Batam. While foreign ships that conduct illegal fishing in exclusive economic zone will be subject to administrative sanction and must pay a reasonable bond. These actions are conducted so that law enforcement in Indonesia is firm and effective, so that foreign fishermen will be deterred to catch fish illegally and there are no more big losses suffered by the Indonesian state. In practice, the act of burning or drowning against any foreign vessels that engage in illegal fishing raises a reaction from neighboring countries. For example, Thailand, through Thailand's foreign ministry, Armananta Nasir, considered that the drowning of a foreign ships of Indonesia thieves is wrong. Therefore, such action could threaten security in ASEAN. In addition, a spokesman for Vietnam's foreign ministry said that Vietnam hoped Indonesia would handle foreign fishermen who violate its territorial waters in accordance with international law and for humanitarian consideration. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Malaysia also hopes the Indonesian government will act in good faith to ensure the welfare of fishermen and in handling such incidents in the future. The Malaysian Ministry of Foreign Affairs also questions Indonesia's policies and actions on the sinking of vessels, considering that the two countries have signed Memorandum of Understanding or MOU on January 6, 2012. Under the MOU between Indonesia and Malaysia, Indonesia does not have to detain fishermen but enough to drive the ships. Second, UN close practice in Indonesia. How illegal fishing eradicated? In addition to generating reaction from neighboring countries, the act of burning and or sinking of foreign ships is also declared to violate or contradict the provisions of international law, namely the provisions of the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea or UNCLOS. Article 73, paragraph 1, UNCLOS declares coastal states may take measures to board a ship, examine, arrest, and conduct judicial proceedings as necessary to ensure compliance with laws and regulations. Such actions is also deemed to be contrary to Article 73, paragraph 2 of UNCLOS stating that the captured ships and their crew shall be released immediately after being given a proper security deposit or other form of security. Subsequently, Article 73, paragraph 3 of UNCLOS regulates the punishment of coastal states against crime in exclusive economic zone territory, namely Indonesia shall not punish by punishment, which includes corporal punishment. Corporal punishment may only apply if already signed bilateral agreements with other countries. The illegal fishing action carried out in the territory of the Indonesian state by fishermen from other countries caused a lot of losses in the economic sector, especially Indonesia is a maritime country. Illegal fishing action is also detrimental to local fishermen who experience difficulty in fishing in the sea or territorial sea. The action taken by the Indonesian government is with enacting the sinking of vessels for foreign vessels that are suspected of illegal fishing, but the action imposed by the government caused controversy for neighboring countries whose vessels were drowned by the Indonesian government. They are assumed that Indonesia had violated the rules of international law regulating the illegal fishing regulate in UN Clause Article 73, paragraph 1, 2, and 3, but which according to Indonesia itself, this action is a form of self-defense in order to maintain the sovereignty of its territory. Okay everyone, that's all this article today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until the next one, bye bye.